Hi, Steve Donor here from Donor Designs with the Donor Designs Time Machine base. We're doing a series of short videos to show how to change the battery, how to charge the battery, how to use some of the controls. In this one, we're going to show how the Time Machine electronics work. This big red military style switch here is how you turn on all of the Time Machine related electronics. So you flip the cover up like this and then flip the toggle switch underneath, and nothing is coming on right now, and that's because the battery's not connected, which we recommend that you always keep the battery disconnected except when you're using the base. So we'll hook that back up down here. Try it again, lift the red cover, flip the switch, and everything comes on. The other controls here, this little mini toggle switch is normally pointed towards the back, which allows the flux capacitor to flux. We added the switch so that for photography mode, you could have all the lights on at the same time. We don't recommend leaving it that way. You'll get more life out of the LEDs by letting them flash naturally, or chase in this position. So that's what this switch is for. These 4 switches here are for advancing the year display, the destination year. There's 1 switch for each digit, and it kind of works like an alarm clock. One kind of press will advance the digit 1 position. It'll automatically default back to 1985 when you turn it off and turn it back on. And let's see, this other push button here activates the fan on the back, which is right here, in case you need to cool off on your gig. And let's see, that's it for the Time Machine controls. Let's cover some of the other controls here while we're at it, though. This is the cable that comes with the base. Best to use the straight, because of everything going on down here by the jack. It's better to use the straight end and use to plug into the base. So that goes in right here. We are plugged into an amplifier, which is turned all the way down. So we're not getting any sound right now, and that's because the key ignition type switch here is turned off. You turn that clockwise, and that connects the pickup to the electronics, or to the jack. And now we've got some sound. So you got, for the bass controls, you got a volume control here, and then a 2-band preamplifier. This is the treble control, all the way up, all the way down. And then the bass control is the lower, all the way up to all the way down, and in between. So that's pretty simple controls for both the Time Machine and the bass. It looks like a lot, but it's actually not that much. And I think that covers it all.